Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is my G Space and today we're going to be restoring an old socks in terms of its elastic. And I have my old socks here with me. Here is my elastic band. I'm going to use the measurement of my hip just like that, but I'm going to make sure that it's not so too tight for it. Then next I'm going to, sew the elastic band together, and I want to make sure that that's very perfect. As you can see, I've done that. Next of all, I'm going to fold my elastic into my socks just like that. I would like to inform you that you shouldn't sew on top of the elastic but by the side, so that you will not cause any duplications or any faulty hold on the elastic. Just sew by the side, not on top, and that's the reason why I'm pinning, so that I'll make sure that I get my stitches right. And with that, I'm going to use a pin to hold up so that I won't encroach into the elastic band. As you can see, I'm just trying to sew through, and you want to make sure that your hold is perfect, that it won't encroach in, and voila, you have your end results. No looses at the top. It's strong and it's stiff, and that's just it. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please like and subscribe for more DIY videos, and I'm going to see you in the next video.